Hello everybody, my name is Alfian and my metric number is 108819. So today, my group will explain about three tools. And also first, these are my teammates as you can see. And now, we are going to present three tools. And now, I will pass this to Mukris.
Thank you, Alfian. Today I will discuss about a physical contradiction. Physical contradiction happens when the same system needs to have two opposite characteristics at the same time. For example, consider an academic building. On one hand, the building needs to be closed for renovation to ensure safety and proper repair. On the other hand, the same building needs to remain open because class and lectures are still ongoing. This situation shows a physical contradiction because the building cannot be fully open and fully closed at the same time. This slide explains the function-oriented search. This approach focuses on improving the primary function of a system. For Unimass transportation, the main function is to move people efficiently around the campus. One solution is electric shuttle, which help reduce carbon emission, provide greater operation, and lower operating costs. This shuttle can run on route covering key campus area and nearby residential zone, with charging station placed strategically for continuous service. Then I will pass it to Akil Anil.
Thank you, Muklis. So I will explain about ideality. What is ideality? Ideality interests aim for the perfect solution where the system performs its function without any drawbacks. For integrated transportation system, creating a seamless transportation network that integrates various modes of transport. For implementation, develop a unified transportation network that includes shuttle, bike sharing, and pedestrian pathway. Use technology to provide real-time update and route planning for user. For the benefit, seamless connectivity between different modes of transport including bicycle, pathway, and shuttle. That's all from me. I will pass to Shazwan.
Engineering contradiction occurs when effort to improve one aspect of the campus facility cause other aspect to become worse. For example, campus Wi-Fi increased Wi-Fi speed will increase cost. The higher the speed, the higher the cost. When we try to implement this on our project, when we try to increase transportation speed and availability by using larger bus or increasing strip, it lead to higher operational cost, congestion, and safety risk.
Cause and effect chain analysis is a method used to identify the root cause of a by showing how one cause leads to other effect in a logical sequence. For the definition, cause is a factor that creates a problem. Effect, the result or outcome of the cause, and cause and effect chain is a series of connected cause and effects that explain how a problem occurs.
I will explain the function analysis part of our project. Function analysis is used to break down the transportation system and understand how each component work together to achieve the main goal. The main function of the Unimass transportation system is to transport students and staff efficiently, safely, and on time. First, we need to identify the key component of the system, which is shuttle bus, drivers, route, schedule, bus stop, and student as user. Then we need to analyze the function between these components. For example, the shuttle bus transport student, the driver operate the shuttle, the schedule control shuttle timing, and the route guide the shuttle to destination. After function analysis, we apply trimming to improve system efficiency. Trimming in trees means removing or replacing components that do not add enough value while still keeping the system functioning. Based on our analysis, we found that large buses were difficult to manage, slower on campus road, one of the main reason cause of overcrowding and delays. So we applied trimming by removing large buses from short distance campus route. Instead, we replaced them with shuttle van. This trimming decision improved the system because the shuttle vans are smaller and faster, they were easier to operate, they can run more frequently, overcrowding is reduced, and punctuality is improved.
Alright, so for S-curve is an analytical element used to describe the performance development of a campus university over time. So it consists of three stages, which are introduction, growth, and maturity. So for growth stage, it is about performance improves slowly as a new system implemented. And also for maturity stage, performance reaches a saturation point where further improvements are limited. So at this stage, the university must introduce a new technology to begin a new S-curve. For example, campus Wi-Fi system.
Our solution focused on creating a cleaner, smarter campus transport system. So first, we propose electric shuttle to replace fuel-based buses. By using electric and solar charging, we can reduce emission, noise, and operating costs. Second, we introduce a bike sharing program for the short-distance travel. This app-based system encourages eco-friendly movement, reduces congestion, and promotes a healthier lifestyle.
Last but not least, the impact. This proposed transportation improvement helps students and staff move around the university campus more easily, safely, and efficiently. The introduction of electric shuttle reduces air pollution and noise level, creating a cleaner, quieter, and more comfortable campus environment for everyone. It also helps to reduce traffic congestion, especially during busy class hours, and lower transportation operating costs in the long term. In addition, the bike sharing program provides a convenient and eco-friendly travel option for short distance while encouraging students to stay physically active. Overall, this improvement enhance accessibility between lecture hall, hotel, libraries, and other campus facilities, leading to a better and more sustainable campus experience. That's all from us. Thank you very much.